Introduction. Before becoming a professional HVAC technician, you must understand one thing clearly. HVAC is not magic. It is pure science. Today, we will explain the basic concepts of HVAC in very simple words, so anyone can understand it. What does HVAC stand for? HVAC stands for H, heating, V, ventilation, A, air, C, conditioning. Explanation: HVAC is a system that controls temperature, air quality, and air movement inside a building. It is used in homes, offices, malls, hospitals, factories, and vehicles. Basic concept. Number 1. Temperature control. The first basic concept of HVAC is temperature control. Heating increases room temperature. Cooling decreases room temperature. Important point. An air conditioner does not create cold. It removes heat from the room and throws it outside. This concept is based on heat transfer. Basic concept number 2. Heat transfer. HVAC works on 3 methods of heat transfer. Conduction. Heat moves through solid material. Convection. Heat moves through air or liquid. Radiation. Heat moves through waves, like sunlight. Every HVAC system uses convection and conduction heavily. Basic concept number 3. Refrigeration cycle. Cooling in HVAC works on the vapor compression refrigeration cycle. This cycle has 4 main steps: compression, condensation, expansion, evaporation. Through this cycle, heat is absorbed from the room and rejected outside. Basic concept number 4. Airflow and ventilation. Ventilation means fresh air movement, removes bad air, dust, smell, and moisture. Supplies fresh oxygen. Without proper airflow, AC cooling becomes weak, indoor air quality becomes unhealthy. That's why fans, ducts, and vents are very important in HVAC. Basic concept number 5. Pressure difference. HVAC systems work on high pressure and low pressure. Refrigerant flows from high pressure to low pressure. Compressor creates pressure difference. Expansion device reduces pressure. Without pressure difference, cooling is impossible. Basic concept number 6. Humidity control. Humidity means moisture in air. High humidity equals uncomfortable feeling. HVAC removes excess moisture automatically. That's why AC feels comfortable even at higher temperatures. Why these basic concepts are important? If you understand these basics, you can troubleshoot faults easily. You won't just be a parts changer. You become a real HVAC technician. Conclusion. These were the basic concepts of HVAC that every beginner must understand.